In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time to a 12-hour format in TradingView. If you've been using TradingView and prefer seeing your charts in a more familiar 12-hour time setting, this tutorial is just for you. So, let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the TradingView website. If you've already got an account, make sure you're logged in so you can access your settings. Once you're at the home page, you'll see your main chart area where all the magic happens. Now, to begin changing the time format, look towards the top of the screen where you'll notice various icons and options. You're going to want to focus on the toolbar and look for the gear icon that represents the settings. Click on this and it will bring up a new menu filled with different customization options for your chart. Here is where you can make the tweak we're focusing on today. Once you're in the settings menu, your next move is to find scales and lines. This section houses several important settings related to how your charts are organized and displayed. You'll see various options here that relate to the visual aspect of your trading charts. Take a moment to scroll down through this menu until you find the section labeled Time and Dates. Now, within the Time and Dates options, there's a specific setting called Time Hours Format. This is exactly what we're looking for. Currently, it might be showing a 24-hour format, but not to worry. This is an easy switch. Simply click on the option to change it from the 24-hour to the 12-hour format. It's an intuitive process, and TradingView makes it easy to select your preferred option with just a single click. After you've made your selection, it's crucial to confirm and apply this change so it takes effect. Look towards the bottom of the settings menu where you'll find an OK button. Clicking OK will ensure that your preferred time format is now saved and reflected on your charts. This final step solidifies your preference, and from now on, you'll see all the times in the more familiar AM/PM format. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your time settings in TradingView to a 12-hour format. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you view and interpret your chart data. Thank you for joining this brief instructional guide. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips on how to optimize your TradingView experience. And as always, happy trading.